Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Philippines Land. Looking for a lot in Forest Farm, Habela Township, Angono, Rizal? Let me show you. So first stop mga kabahay is located in Block 8, Lot 31. Lot area is 860 square meter. Ito pong nasa likod ko. So yung terrain niya is slightly uphill and facing southwest. And overlooking po yung lot na to, facing Laguna, Dubai, and Metro Manila skyline. So yung mga kabahay, so ito pa yung location ng lot, located in Block 8, Lot 31. So yung lot area is 860 square meter. Pupuntahan po natin ng malapitan. So uphill po yung terrain ng Block 8, Lot 31, Rizal lot. 860 square meter and it's facing southwest. And since uphill to, most likely may overlooking view of skyline and Laguna Dubai. So ito po naman ang front. So yung front is downhill po. So wala pong obstruction sa magiging view ng lot 31. So yung mga kabahay, so naipakita ko na yung first lot natin. So let's go naman sa second lot offering ko, which is the 788 square meter lot. Malapit lang po yun dito. So tara! So yung mga kabahay, my second offering na Rizal lot in Forest Farm is located in Block 7, Lot 30. Lot area is 788 square meter. So ito po yun yung nasa gilid ko. So it's facing southwest and overlooking siya ng Laguna Dubai and Metro Manila skyline. Located in Rosewood Street in Forest Farm. So tara guys, puntahan natin. So ito po ang Rosewood Street, Forest Farms. So, yung location ng Lot 30 is nag-start here. Yan po yung Mohon, banda. Puntahan natin. So, if you notice, medyo moderately uphill and marami pang puno sa lot na to. So, uphill, again, most likely may overlooking view of Laguna Dubai and Metro Manila skyline. So, yun guys. So, welcome back mga kabahay. So yun, naipakita ko na yung mga Rizal lot offering namin here in Forest Farms, Habela Township, Angono, Rizal. So if you're interested, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Philippines Land. Thank you for watching and bye!